An evergreen tree or shrub native to Australia, the bottlebrush is well known for its graceful, drooping branches ending in flowers with cheerful, bright red or yellow stamens, which form in tufted clusters that resemble a round brush. Although bottlebrush are about 5 to 12 feet tall, some mature trees can reach more than 30 feet in height. This unique evergreen has numerous pendulous branches covered with bottlebrush-shaped cherry red blooms starting in late spring and lasting through the summer. Its densely compact, upright growth habit with bright green foliage reaches 12 to 15 feet tall. The actual flowers of the bottlebrush are tiny, creamy white nubs close to the stem. They form as buds in cylindrical clusters surrounding the stem. When they bloom, the petals open to reveal long, colorful stamens, each tipped with an anther bearing yellow pollen. The collection of these flowers with their bright red stamens densely packed around the stem is called the flower spike, the distinctive bottlebrush that people know so well. Although the flower spikes of most bottlebrushes are red, their color can be bright purple, pink, red, yellow, white, or green. These colorful flower spikes typically appear in the spring and summer, and they attract nectar-feeding birds and insects. They are a particular favorite of bees and hummingbirds. As they feed on the flower's nectar, they transfer pollen from the anthers of one flower cluster to the stigma found at the center of another flower cluster, pollinating the plant. This adaptable evergreen shrub needs a regular water schedule to ensure the growth of a mature root system. After the mature root system is established, watering is needed occasionally. Except during a drought, watering is needed regularly. Prune often to encourage new growth and shear annually to maintain desired shape. These plants mostly prefer well-drained soil. If the soil is very poor, then enrich the soil by adding mulches in the form of dead leaves, ripened fruits, and vegetables to maintain soil moisture levels evenly. Good companions for bottlebrush include hibiscus, bush daisy, sweet potato, ginger, cannas, and copperplant. These plants improve the fertility in bottlebrush, flowering, blooming time, and deter pests when planted together.